Welcome to Linux Help. In this video session, we are going to see how to install Winter CMS on Linux 9.3. Winter CMS is a open source content management system CMS designed for simplicity and flexibility in building websites and web applications. It is based on the Laravel PHP framework known as for elegant syntax and powerful features. Winter CMS provides a user-friendly interface for content creation and management, making it accessible for both developer and non-technical users. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I'm using Linux 9.3. Next I'm going to install Apache Web Server, MariaDB and PHP by using the following single command. Now the Apache Web Server, MariaDB and PHP installed successfully. Next I'm going to enable and start the Apache and MariaDB service by using the following command. Next I'm going to check the status of Apache and MariaDB service by using the following command. Now the Apache and MariaDB service is in active and running state. Now I'm going to check the installed PHP version by using the following command. Our PHP version is 8.0.30. Next, I am going to enter into MariaDB server by using the following command. Here I am going to create database and user, then grant the required privileges to user so it can interact with the database. First, I am going to create database. Now the database has been created. Next, I am going to create user with the password. Now the user has been created. Next, I am going to grant all the privileges on user to access the database by using the following command. Now the access has been granted. Next, I am going to give flash privileges to apply all changes. Now exit from the MariaDB. Next, I am going to create a directory for Winter CMS on the following location. Now I am going to change my location to Winter CMS directory. Here I am going to download Winter CMS installer package by using the wget command. Now long list the files by using the following command. This is the downloaded installer package. Now I am going to extract the Winter CMS installer package by using the unzip command. Now I am going to change the ownership and permission of the Winter CMS by using the following command. Next, create a virtual host for Winter CMS on the following location. Press I to insert mode. Here insert the following lines. Now save and exit from the file. Now check the syntax of Apache configuration file by using the following command. Now the syntax is OK. Next I am going to allow 18443 port on firewall by using the following command. Now I am going to reload the firewall to make changes effective. Next I am going to disable the default Apache welcome page by using the following command. Finally restart the Apache service to make all changes effective. Now go to the web browser and search your IP address. Now we can see the Winter CMS welcome page. Here click the begin compatibility checks. Every checks are done, then click continue installation. Here enter the site name. I am entering site name as Linux Cell Phone. Next I am giving backend path as admin. Then click enter database configuration. Here enter the database username. Here enter the database name. Enter database password here. Then click enter administrator details. Here create the admin credentials. I am giving first name as administrator. Username as admin. Here enter the email address. Here create the admin password. Then click the begin final checks. Here the final checks also done. Then click begin the installation. It will take few minutes to install. Installation has been completed. Now click the view your backend button. Here enter the admin credentials. Then click login. Now we can see the dashboard of Winter CMS. By this way you can install Winter CMS on Rocky Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.